everyone, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Under the Influence TikTok trend. And this song is very popular, so there are so many different dances, but today I'm going to be showing you one of the most popular and easiest ones to learn. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's going to be a lot easier for you to follow. And now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand with our feet apart, and one of our legs, our right leg, is going to go like this. So we're going to twist our leg so that our knee is facing inwards, and we're going to stand on our toe, and then we're just going to do this. So we're just going to like twist our leg, and our knee is going to be facing outwards. So it's like this, 1, 2, and then the only thing we're going to do is just move our head to the right. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this, what we're going to do is we're going to slide our right leg in. So basically, it's just like you're going to, first, all of your weight is going to be here on your right leg, and then you're just going to move all of your weight to your left leg, if that makes sense. And then your right one, you're just going to slide it in. So just 1, and that's it. Okay, so after you slide your leg, what you're gonna do is you're gonna like switch legs. So if first your right leg was bent, you're just gonna put all your weight on your right one, and you're gonna bend your left leg. And then for your hand, what you're gonna do with your left one is you're just gonna do like this, small like circle. So basically you're just gonna bend and then unbend. So you're just gonna do this, and like you're gonna move a little bit. So you're gonna tilt to the right, and then your left one goes up so that your elbow is facing upwards, like that. So once again, slow from the beginning, we're gonna go 1, 2, then face right, then slide, and then switch. So you're gonna do this at the same time. You're gonna switch while you do your circle. So once again, 1, 2, 3, slide, switch. Okay, so after this, the only thing we're gonna do, our legs are gonna stay the same, and we're just gonna do whatever we want with our hand, but we're gonna do 1, 2. So we're gonna face out and then in again. So 1, 2, that's it. You can do anything with your hand. You can go like this, you can do whatever you want, but just make sure to do this with your head. So you're gonna facing to the left and then front, left, front, that's it. Okay, so from the slide, you're gonna switch, and then you're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, so after you do this thing, what you're gonna do is this move. So I know it looks kind of like confusing at the beginning, but the only thing you're gonna do, it's really easy. First, your left leg is gonna go in, like it's gonna go to the right, you're gonna step back, and it's gonna go behind your right leg. So you're just gonna like step here. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna step with your right leg, you're gonna step back, and then this one goes in. Okay, so once again, it's gonna look like this. 1, then back with your right one, and then left. So it's gonna go like this, left, right, left. And then like when you step on your left leg at the very end, like all of your weight is gonna go here. So basically you're just going back and forth. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from the slide, we're gonna switch, then we're gonna go 1, 2, and then step, step, step. Okay, once again, we're gonna slide, switch, 1, 2, step, step, step. Okay, and now for the last part, this is like the fastest part, but it's just 3 moves that you have to remember, and then just keep on doing them and doing them faster and faster, and that's it. So first, your knees are gonna go in, then they're gonna go out. That's it. So 1, 2. I know it looks weird, but you're gonna do it like really fast. So you're gonna go 1, just knees in, knees out, and then you're gonna do this. So basically, you're just gonna step back with your right leg. It's gonna go behind your left leg. You're gonna bend both legs, and then your hands are gonna go here. So your right one is just straight in front of you, and your left one, you're just gonna like, your fist is gonna go to your right shoulder. So it's just like this. So you're gonna go 1, then 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. That's it. So the hardest part here is not like the actual moves because they're pretty easy. You're just gonna do them like really, really fast. And that's it. So just keep on practicing and then doing it faster and faster, and that's it, you'll have it. So now we're gonna do it from the beginning, and then I'm gonna show you like the last 2 steps, which are really, really easy and really like slow, so that, you know. So first, we're gonna go just from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and then slide. Switch, 1, 2, and then step, 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 and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after we do this, we're gonna step to the left with our left leg. So we're here, and we're gonna go like this. And then the only thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put both our hands here. So one is gonna be on top of the other. It doesn't really like matter which one is on top of which, like how it's easier for you, just do it that way. And you're gonna do like a circle with your hands, and you're gonna switch. So basically, the only thing you're doing is doing like this circle and switching, but you're gonna like go with your hands. So you're gonna go forward and then back, just like that. So you're gonna switch 1, then you're gonna switch 2, and then you're gonna go 1, 2. So they're gonna be like 2 beats. So basically you're just going 1 and then 1, 2. Once again, switch, and then 1, 2. Perfect, and that's it. That is the whole dance. So we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. First we're gonna do it slow, then we're gonna do it faster, and we're done. So first, let's go slow. Okay, so 1, 2, out, slide, switch, 1, 2, step, 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 1, 2, 3, and then switch, and 1, 2. That's it. And now the same thing, but a little bit faster. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, slide, switch, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then switch, and then 1, 2. So this part is going to be pretty slow, so you'll have time to do it. Just the fastest parts are this thing, and then these 3 moves. And that's it. Then this is gonna go slow, so you'll have time. And that's it. That's the whole dance. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me.